Okay guys, so this is a second generation Tacoma, and my friend here wants me to build him a rock slider. Okay, so this is for a second generation single cab Tacoma. It's measured at 59 inches, and my friend, he wants to have it built in the simple style, just the rails and then legs, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 more legs here, and she's done, and she's ready to be mounted. So yeah, it's coming out really nice. I'm enjoying this. This is looking very, very nice. There you go. Okay, let's open her up. There she is. She's really beautiful. There. So tomorrow, I'm going to add 1 leg here, 1 leg here, total of 2 legs on each side, and 1 leg there and 1 leg there, and burn her up, and then this weekend we can install. Okay, right now we're mocking the rock slider that I've already built, and I have to say that I apologize for not showing the before after shot. I'll show you what we've done to the side here. This is the side that we've already installed. This is how we weld this bad boy in. Okay, like usual. Just like that. Like that. So, like that. So this thing is rock solid right now on this side. But we're going to be burning in the other side real soon. Yeah, so this is what we're doing. Okay. On this one right here, I have to cut this here a little bit to make room for a little bracket. On here, I have to cut this to make room for the little frame suspension thingy. So I had to do that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna weld around here. Luis, my friend, and he's the owner of this tackle. Okay, so he is lifting the bad boy here. You notice there's no flex, and look at that, the wheel is off the ground. Ooh, I think that's high enough. Look at that. So yeah, I had a lot of fun building this rock slider. Also mounting it was a lot of fun. Again, this is how the bad boy look underneath. There you go. I haven't cleaned it yet because I was busy doing the other side and this side. So Luis will be taking it home, and he will be painting the rock slider. Oh, she's a beautiful truck. Yeah, Luis and I, we went to Bald Mountain last year in his pickup truck, and he didn't get stuck none. It's a pretty cool little Tacoma. So yeah, what do you think, Luis? Awesome. All right, well, let's make this thing go back down.